Now see this small thing when I hold so, this Appina Instant Water Heater, it dey do wonders. This one na instant water heater when you go on and water go dey rush. Nobody likes it when you go wan have your warm shower, you go have to wait for a very long time before you have your hot water. With Appina Instant Water Heater, hot water na instant and it's sure. As you wan baff, you enter your shower, you on your water heater, set am to any hot temperature wey you want and have your warm bath. That's all for today on Sanitary Wear Yarns with Sanitary Wear Master. You can follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and LinkedIn. Until we meet again, we dey for you.